All right, so I'm going to show you how you can share your design as template, like I promised. Okay, this is a template that I made, submitted already, waiting for approval to be added into the Canva template library. Okay, let's say you made this design and you want me to critique it. Okay, you probably practice with one of the lessons that I've shared, and you want to share your lesson, your design with me rather. And you want to share it as template, or you've made it and you want to sell it. Okay, maybe you are not a Canva creator, you want to go and sell it elsewhere. So how do you package this so that you can share it either with me for critique, or you share it as a template for other people to buy? Okay, the process is simply straightforward. Okay, you come to share. Okay, and this loads up. Okay, you see so many functionalities here. Most times what we'll be doing is just to download. Okay, now you see this place that say access. Okay, if I click here, you're going to say anyone with a link. Okay, and I say this, and I say copy link. Okay, now it shows me here that it's showing me here that link copy to clipboard. If I share this link to anybody, the person can edit this design, because under here you have it as edited. If I say no, I don't want the person to edit it, I want the person to view it, I cannot say can view. Now if I share this the same link, if I copy this link and I share with somebody, the person can only view it. Now let me go to a new tab and I'm going to paste the link here. Okay, Ctrl V, and I'm going to because it's the same account that I'm also using here. You're going to find it difficult. It may just load the design as my own design, and because I have access to it, because I'm not somebody else. So what I can do now, I'm going to use another account so that you can see how it actually works. So this is my other account, my other Google account. So I'm going to paste the link here now, and I paste and I click. It just gives some time for it to load. All right, so it has opened now, and now you can see, since I'm opening it with another account, now you can see this other account is showing right here, and it's showing viewing. I don't have access, I can't edit it. Okay, because the access that was granted to the link as I was sharing it is actually view. So if you share your design with me here, I can't have access, I can't do anything on the design. Okay, I can't, nothing, I can't click anything, I'm only viewing it. Now if I come back to my original design, okay, this is the one I opened before, let me come here. If I come back to my original design, you can see that I'm having my picture here of my other account. Okay, now this is the way you can actually tell that I've opened your design. Okay, because, or maybe who you sent it to. Okay, now if I want to give permission to somebody, I mean to the person who has opened it before, okay, I can actually just do that. I can just come here and say let him be able to edit it. Okay, there is this other functionality that is here that you can allow other people to view, read, and all that. So it's the same thing. So I have the access to editing here, or I just come here and say can edit. Now the link has been updated automatically. Now if I navigate to this design and I refresh this page, now look at what's going to happen. Now I can edit it. Okay, by editing it, it's still going to update in my original design. So if I should take your design now and I'm commenting, I'm changing stuff, it's going to update on your own page. And the good part is that this account right now does not have a pro subscription. Okay, pro subscription has expired, but because I've shared this design, I can see I cannot select this item, I cannot touch things, I can change whatever I want to change now. And the good part is going to update. Okay, let's just wait for this change to save, and if I navigate to my design here, you see edited. This is more like the collaborative side of Canva, that two people can work on the same design at the same time. Okay, and I can't Ctrl Z here. Let me come here and Ctrl Z, because here is where I made the changes, and it's just going to take some time. It's going to bring it back my old design. All right. Another thing is, how do you then share your design as template? Let me Ctrl Z. Let me have my original design back. So let's navigate back to my original design here. So how do you then share your design as template? for other people. The same place, come to share, and now you can come here, click see all. You see all this. You can publish this as brand templates. You can publish as publish as template. Now this is only available for creators like myself. Okay, you won't have this option. Okay, now you have this template link. Okay, it's only available for pro users. If you have subscribed to pro account, then you can do it because of this crown here. So you can click on this link, and it's going to come out it's going to generate a link for you that you can share, or you can put on the website that you are sharing that template. So when people click on this link, it will take them to a design. Let me just show you. Okay, create a template link. So I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to copy it. Okay, now your template is live. Okay, so I'm going to navigate to my other browser, and I'm going to create a new tab. I'm just going to paste the link. Okay, let's see how it's going to look. It's going to tell you that Mr. Gravy that's sharing the template with you. So what do you want to do with it? You want to create? No, you want to whatever you want to do with it. Okay, let's just give it some time while it loads. Okay, so however you are sharing your templates for sale, once the person clicks the link, it's going to come here, your template link. So you can see now, view templates. Okay, and the viewer can view template. I think there's a downside here that the person has to be on pro plan. Now the reason being that the elements that I used in making this design are pro elements. Okay, so the person on the other side needs to have a pro plan. So you can open this. So because this account does not have pro subscription, I can actually edit and all that, but in saving it, even your element is going to tell you, oh, remove watermark because I do not have pro subscription on this account. Okay, that's the downside. So your assignment is to actually share your design with me as template, or share a public link with me that I can actually just edit your design so I can critique. This is very important because if you submit your work, any design, anyone you've made so far, if you submit, that's the only way I can critique, maybe do a live section for your design. But if you don't, there's no way I can access your design. So share a link of a template and share a link of share a public link that I can edit. Okay, and also share a public link that I can view. Okay, those are the three things you need to do. Then share it in the design community on the WhatsApp, and that will be your assignment for this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.